Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So, the plan for today is to go for a camping somewhere near Ambi Valley, Lonavala. This is the bike. Um the setup behind is all the electronics in the tank bag, the tent, camping stool, all the clothes, everything is set up in the tail bag. And yeah, we are leaving early so that we can get a good camping spot. And I'll meet our usual suspects on the way. That's Tony, and Tony's friend is also joining in. And before that, I'm just heading towards Bandra to meet another friend. And let's see how it all plans out. See you on the flip side. Hey, good morning, people. Welcome back. This is the next day. It was pretty cold last night. I believe it was somewhere around 15 degrees. We were camped up over there. The guys are still sleeping. The grey tent is where I was camped in. So this is the setup of the tent. This is a Quechua 3% tent, which I got it recently just for the camping trips. So it's a 3% tent, but two people can comfortably camp in it. And with the luggage on one side, as you can see, this is where I've kept all my luggage, kept some space to move in and out. And yeah, using this yoga mat and using this blanket. I'm also using an inflatable pillow. Yeah, so it was comfortable last night. I mean, no complaints. And if I show you the view from the tent, that's it. That's the sunrise happening. And it was cold. It was about 15 degrees last night. I'm not sure if the GoPro will do justice to the view, but if I can show you the surroundings, That's where the sunrise is happening. This is the lake, and what's happening out here is I'm not sure if you can view this, but there's a slight bit of mist that's rising up from the lake, and that's on all sides. Yeah, I was lucky to stay awake last night because I'm used to the night shift, so kind of didn't get much sleep. But the beautiful part about it is I'm getting to see the sunrise while these guys are sleeping. Okay, so see you on the flip side, guys.